Hello children, welcome to the 8th English class. Children, today we are going to learn supplementary part, that is the first woman in space. Here in the lesson we are going to know about Valentina Tereshkova. She was a cosmonaut. She was the first lady who has took the journey to space as a cosmonaut. So the achievement or the way that she has came from, that is in this lesson. So I'll read the lesson. June 16, 1963 is a memorable day when the world shared with Valentina Tereshkova of Soviet Union. The excitement of the woman traveling in space, traveling successfully in the spaceship Walkouts 6 around the Earth at 18 miles an hour. Valentina won the credit of being the world's first space woman. So, here a lady or the character of this lesson was Valentina. She was the first lady, as I mentioned, she was the first lady who has took a journey to space. So, a day was remarkable or memorable, that was June 16, 1963. That was her first journey as a cosmonaut. Okay, and from Soviet Union to entire world, and she was the first lady from the Soviet Union. Okay, the excitement of the first woman traveling in space, traveling successfully in the spaceship, the spaceship which was traveling, that was Vostok 6 around the Earth. So the journey which she took to space, that was Vostok 6. As the bus name, the space named as Vostok 6 around the Earth, and which was miles an hour, in the sense 18 miles an hour. So the journey was given as 18,000 miles an hour. Okay, Valentina won the credit of being the world's first space woman. Then, mysterious are the way of a destiny. Little did the world dream of village girl, humble bird, becoming the first woman cosmonaut. So, it was very mysterious in the sense surprise. We can say that we don't know what is there in our destiny. Isn't it, children? See, today who are rich, tomorrow they may become a poor, or poor, tomorrow he may become a rich. So that is our destiny or a mystery. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? Isn't it? Here Valentina also the same, that a little girl who belongs to a village humble girl, and today she was recognized as the world's first lady as a cosmonaut. But instant like and numerous in this page of world history. So this little girl who came from the village, she has made a record in the history of the world that she has did for her achievement she came to known by all. And who was she? What was her family background? Valentina, who is now an international figure. Now we are known her as a international figure because she was the first lady who travelled as a cosmonaut. If you ask Modi, you can tell that he is the Prime Minister of India. So we can tell that he is an international figure, right, because of the achievement. The same way, the Valentina now, she was an international figure, but what she was before that, Valentina was as now international figure, was from humble family. She was born on March 6, 1937. So she born on March 6, 1937 at the village of Melanson. Her father was tractor driver. So see, her father, he was not a well educated. He was simple tractor driver. He died at the front during the World War II. So, as we know that Russia was very active in Second World War. So, as the effect of our Second World War, her father, Valentina's father, died in the first stage of a Second World War. Valentina, more intimately known as Valya, was then only a child. So the time of her father death, she was very young, in the sense she was very small. The family was passing through many difficulties of poverty. So as by the time of her father's death, the family was facing very difficulties of her poverty. Isn't it, children? Because he was only a earning head, that he was died. And because of the death of her father, the family has faced a lot of problems. Therefore, Valya could not have smooth and continuous schooling. So because of her father's death, because of the poverty, she may not receive the education as we have having a continuous education. Because of her father's death, the family has to face the lot of difficulty as a poverty. Because of that, she was not able to get the continuous education. Therefore, Valya could not have a smooth continuous schooling. In her 7th year, she went to work at the tire factory and then to textile mill to help her mother to maintain the family. Look at her condition. In the age of 17 year, she went to work as a tire factory. She went to work. Not only that, in remaining time, she used to work along with her mother in a textile mill so that the family can run smoothly. So at the same time, she attended some classes at Yarslow. So not only that, she utilized her time completely. She was working twice different place, two different places she was working. And not only that, in remaining time also she has joined the school to complete her education. Okay, and in 1960 she graduated in the trade school. So anyhow she was able to manage her difficulty and she has become a graduate in 1960. By this time, she had been trained well in parachute jumping at Yarslow's Air Club. So as we know that she has joined to Yarslow's Aero Club, where she was given training to run and to jump from the parachute. Even then, she did not show herself of an extraordinary woman. Though she was talented, she was able to complete her education. That was jumping, parachute jumping and all. See, that is not a simple work. Okay? See, jumping from the parachute, you need lot of courage and bravery. So, she was completed that training, but she has not shown off that she was capable of doing such daring work. She was remained humble, as if she don't know anything. See, even then she did not show off herself as an extraordinary woman. It was only her boldness and daring in parachute training had stood her in good stead. So, the training which she received as a jumping from parachute, it has came into her rescue as a survivor of her life, in the sense that the training made her to recognize further. Is it clear, children? Parachute jumping gave her recognized. It made her to recognize for the further training. It was only her boldness and daring in the parachute training that she stood in her good stead when she was selected to undergo cosmonaut training. See, the what she was shown her performance in a parachute jumping. On that basis of parachute jumping, she was selected further as a cosmonaut training. Okay, like many youngsters, she also was having a dream of sailing on a magic carpet. Like us, she too had a dream of sailing on a magic carpet. What do you mean by magic carpet? Magic carpet you may have seen in some folk tale stories where on that carpet, a person he started to fly on a sky like a bird. That was a magic, miracle. Right? So, like her, see the flying, being as a cosmonaut, okay, that was something like dream came to true. So she felt that as she was sailing on a magic carpet. Yuri Gagarin's first space flight fried her imagination. So her first journey was Yuri Gagarin. The first space flight fried her imagination, as she secretly determined to fly like him. So not only that was her first takeoff to a flight. Later on, she continued many such journeys. She applied to space school and was admitted. Not only that, for the further training, for the further education, she applied and she was selected too. And this paved the way for a great expedition. So she was not satisfied with one or two trainings. So whatever is remaining further as a higher education, she was applied and where she was got selected also. With her keen interest and persistent effort, she soon progressed ahead of all her fellow trainees who wondered at her ability. They often felt envious of her. So not only that, wherever she was applied for a training, there she was selected and she was recognized more before her senior. It means that she was selected to get education there. Not only that, along with her senior, she was recognized. Even though she was in a junior training, she was recognized along with her senior for her skill or her braveness. So all the people whoever with her, they not only surprised, they even envious. Envious in the sense they are jealous of her. She learned with earnest and hard work all about rockets. So she was so much dedicated and hard work in her work. After a month of rigorous training, she was chosen to fly into our outer space. See, so till now she was flying, okay. Seeing her interest, her dedication towards her, she was selected as a outer space. She can selected to move into the outer space. It was the fulfillment of our long cherished dream. So when she was selected as a outer space journey, she was like, as it was narrated, she was really on a magical carpet. So everything after this might have happened as in a dream. So everything came in front of her. It was like a magic that her dream finally has came to true. The day was fixed for her taking off. So not only she was selected to the outer space, but also day was selected that today the spacecraft will take off. Every minute things went the clock like accuracy according to the plan. As if everything went on like everything you have planned. Isn't it, children? See, our life should be as per our plan. Okay. What is your plan, children? See, I can say you have to read well. Okay. So that if your reading planning is good, so that you can get the good mark, so that you will get seat in good college, so that you can good job, you can earn good, so that your life will be set as per your plan, or else for each and everything, children, you have to suffer. So here you see the life of a Valentina. Though she has lost her father in a small age, she got a responsibility of earning. She was working. Not only that, along with her working, she was joined hand with her mother. So and remaining time she utilized for her learning, her training where she was interested. Okay, and she was completed so that she can go for a higher training also, and finally her dream came to true where she was selected for the outer space where it was compared like the clock will run according or as per the wishes of a Valentina. Okay, it was the proudest moment of her life when she talked from the outer space of millions of her fellow women on the earth about her thrilling and experienced. So it is not only that, as when she take off to the outer space, the first top that she spent to earth, that we reached here, everything is good. That statement which she gave here, that made everyone thrilling and excitement. It is not only thrilling and excitement to the women, it was like proudest moment for all the women, because women were thought that they are reserved at home, they are reserved to work at kitchen. All these women were there thrilled. She proved that like a man, even women can achieve something. So, crowd of people all over the world simply danced for the joy when they heard that Mrs. Valentina was going around the globe, feeling excitement at the altitude of 113 to 144 miles from the earth. See, the journey length, in the sense, her space was going to land between the altitude, altitude, the lines which were drawn on the globe, where it was going to land, the gap, the altitude of 113 to 114, between that duration, between that altitude gap, her space has to take movement, where she was traveling now. That was the achievement of a Valentina. So, remaining part children, little is remaining, that I will continue in the next class. You read the lesson and get the meaning of a difficult word, children. I hope you will read it and you will understand it. Till then, children, take care.